I like the way they just. I like the way they sink in like that. Just slowly going down. It's like quicksand.
I had to make a sound effect there. What are you doing, Dan? Oh, I've got some bangers and some paint. Are they going to blow up in slow motion? Just throwing out random guess. Just pretty sure that's what's going to happen, yeah. That's what I thought. Alright, I'm going to put the lights on. Alright.
I'm going to film this paint on the 1610 at 15,000 frames a second. Should be slow enough to see some glass going all over the place.
I should think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Do that. Good
That
God.
literally got me straight in the face. I was like, little pussy, little bit of bangers.
So, Dan,
Oh yeah.
slight modifications this time.
Made a sort of makeshift holder. Nice order there.
Good order. It's a new order.
Pobjugger.
That's your favourite saying, isn't it?
Pobjugger, yeah.
Learned that one at school.
Or Rugya boy. No, it's Rugya bop.
I like the fact that you said Rugger Boy, which means you thought that was called Yerple.
I was like, think fast. Rugya boy. Bop.
Look at the bag of this jet.
You're right. Yeah, just there's a glass right in the back. It's fine.
Well, that was quality.
Yeah, I really liked how the paint exploded in a different
I
way.
had a dog's dinner in the ceiling. Look at that.
Oh, that's That's a nice little bit of art.
I've never seen the initial explosion that slow. That was
No.
15,000 frames. I mean, usually the paint is slow because it's slowed down. That was cool to see.
It was
that.
interesting how some of it exploded and some of it just went straight up.
Yeah,
Cool.
some were rockets and oh, bloody nightmare. Look at that. I'm gonna head out here and put this in the wash immediately.
I've got hair in my paint. Hair in my paint. I've got hair in my paint. See you guys.
Taxi!
Look at that.
Oh, it looks like you've been shot.
Look at that. Jesus.
Oh, look at your camera. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Crap.
jeez.
Oh my gosh.